Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I like to package up my Happy Mail. And I got requested to do or show how I package up some embellishments when I'm going to send them out to my pen pals. So I thought that I would take care of that video today and share with you guys what I do and how simple it is and how you can send your pen pals some cute stuff and make it even cuter by packaging it up cuter, if that makes any sense. But I'm gonna sit down in my squeaky chair and we are going to package up some goodies. So okay, hopefully I stay within frame. I'm gonna show you guys four different ways that you can package up stuff. Okay, and first off, what you're gonna need is possibly some scissors, definitely some scraps. This is just some Valentine's Day paper scraps that I have laying around, and crepe paper if you want to, like, you know, jazz up the little top part that I'll show you on the packaging, and a stapler. I have a tiny attacher, so something like a stapler to seal up the packaging, and of course your embellishments. I have here also some like labels, because sometimes I like to label it and put some word stickers. I'll show you guys what I do with that. So basically what you have to do is, let me open this up because I did pre-cut every paper. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the time I save my packaging for if I buy stickers or if I get things sent. I always save the packaging and put it aside so that I can obviously reuse it. So in this case, we're going to do this packaging first. I have cut the paper, not to size, but to leave this much, maybe about an inch free, because I'm going to put another piece of paper over it to make it look pretty, like a little packaging, something like that. Make sure that I'm in frame. Yes. So what we're going to do first is we're going to attach some goodies to it. And what I'm going to use to attach is, I have like these little glue dots. I have small ones and like a little bit of a bigger one. I don't know if I have any medium-sized ones, but I get these at the dollar store. And I just put these on the back of the embellishments. So I think I want to give, maybe I'll do a little card, one of these, and let me see what can fit nicely on it. Maybe a tag. Let's see what tag we can do here. We can possibly do a tag right here. Over. And maybe we can do two of these little embellishments. What do you guys think? I think that's like a cute little kit. Or wait, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Instead of two of these, I'll put a clip, so it's a variety instead of a double. So you got a little card, a little rosette, and a little clip. See how cute that looks? Make sure. Perfect. So I'm gonna stand up for this because sometimes I try to sit and I don't like to not be able to see if I'm in frame with you guys. Okay, so this is how I want this one set up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these and I'm just gonna place it in the back, remove the little back piece, and just, well, actually I'm going to put this one down first because I do have it over. And that way when the recipient receives it, all they got to do is remove this and it's not too sticky, or you don't have like the ATG that's so like stuck on it and ruin the back or anything. If they want to re-gift it, you know, and then it like pops up a little bit so it looks cute. And then we'll put the card right here. For these, I like to use the little small ones. This is what the little ones look like. And then we're going to place that right here. And then the same thing with the clip. I'll use a small one as well. And regardless how you send your embellishments, it doesn't really matter because, you know, I'm sure your pal will be happy just as with whatever you send them, but I still think that this looks cuter. You guys see that, how cute it looks? I might want to move this a little bit more to the center. Right there. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plastic and we're going to put our embellishments in. And then you're going to seal the bottom. You see how that's turning out, you guys? And then what I do is I usually cut like a little piece however long you want it. Since there was a little hole here, I kind of stopped at where the little hole is right there and measured it too. And then you just grab your stapler and you staple each corner. And look, you guys, doesn't it look like you can purchase this? Super cute. Let me bring the focus up so you guys can see. Doesn't it look so cute? Now, another thing that I do, let me bring the focus back down, is I'll get like, sometimes I don't want this to look so plain, so I'll get like a label, maybe something like this. Let me see if I have anything cuter. Oh, maybe we can do something like this, and then like something like that. I love to layer, you guys. It just, I think it looks so much better. So we just take 2 staples and we're gonna attach that right there. And then we're gonna place that right here. Just adding a little bit of the glue, the hot glue, to the second one so that it can stay down. Okay, see how that looks? And now we're gonna put like a little Valentine's Day word sticker. I'm gonna be using the Tim Holtz word stickers. I'm gonna put "Become your best you." And then you can also take like a heart sticker and decorate it however you want, you guys. You know, it's like up to you. It's, see? And now it's all done. Can you guys see how cute it looks? So this is the first one I'm going to show you guys, because you don't have to do this with every single packaging. This is an option. So now we're going to work on a second one. Let's put this away. And now we're going to do one this size. So I had a packaging of that size. I cut the paper to the size of the plastic. You know, you just measure it out. And we're going to see what we can fit on one of these. And you can even do just like single items if you want. So you don't have to fill it up. So I'm thinking I'm going to put a card, one of these, and one of these. Or maybe a clip. I think I like that better. So you basically map out how you want to lay out your embellishments, and then you start with your little Are these, I don't know if they're called glue dots. I think they are. Well, not, because they're a little bit, they're like foam dots. That's what they are. Like little foam dots. And then you place them. Super easy, you guys, and it's a little bit of a extra step, but it's worth it because it just, presentation sometimes is, well, to me, is everything. I think that makes the package extra special. See that? Now we're going to grab our plastic and we're going to place our embellishments inside. And we're going to, this one I'm going to have to add a little tape because the adhesive is just a little piece right here, so it was a little open. There you go. See that? And this one doesn't have a top like we did with this one. It's just simple. But there are two different ways of packaging it. Especially if you're gonna send like a variety of stuff, you can do some like this, some like this with the topping on it. And here's another idea, well, another form of packaging that we can do. We're also going to do a topping on this one, but I am missing something, so I have to go get it. Okay, I'm back. All right, dropping stuff on the way here. Now, this is our next one we're gonna do. I found this piece of packaging and I'm gonna use it. I cut my paper this size, so we're gonna see what we're gonna add here. So I'm thinking for this one we're gonna add one of these and maybe a shaker. So we'll do a shaker and a rosette. Okay, now we're gonna grab our adhesive, our little foam dot, to place them down, and it doesn't ruin the embellishment, which is what I like about it. It's easy to remove so that the recipient can use on their own projects. So now once we have it on the cardstock, you're going to place it in the packaging. And then that's what you're left with. So what we're going to do now is, I made the same pattern of the packaging. I wanted to make the top part, as you guys can see. Do you see how cute that looks? It's like a little set. So I'm going to bring this down, ready to staple it. You guys see how cute that looks? And then you can put, let's see what we're gonna place on this one. We can use even an embellishment to decorate it. See how cute that'll look right there? So I'm gonna just put that and put it right on the top. And look, you guys, how cute does that look? So far, I've shown you guys this option, and this option. So now what we're gonna do is an extra little mini one. Something like this when you just wanna send something small and not so big. So I have these little bags are like tiny, where I usually put like some little extra little doodads, like maybe some wood veneers. Oh, it's stuck. I think I need to cut my paper a little bit more because it's a little stuck here. Okay. So these are what the little bags look like. But the bags are up to you, you guys. The bags can be any size that you would like. So in this one, I'm just going to put one small little rosette, well, a little cupcake liner rosette. And we're just going to package that. I'm going to put my little foam dot in the bag. Place that right in the center. And we're going to put it right back in the bag. Careful. And then you don't even have to put anything in the bag. All you need to do is seal it with a piece of tape. And there you go. It looks so much better than if you were just to give somebody the rosette on its own. So yeah, you guys, there's so many ways that you can package things up. You can put crepe paper up here. You can put stickers and labels, anything you want. The choices are endless. But this is overall how I package up my embellishments for my pen pals. I hope you guys can see them. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys package up your embellishments. Show some extra love to your projects. And yeah, if you have any more questions or if you have any more video requests, just leave them down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thumbs up, please. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.